Welcome back, everybody. Today we're looking at LeetCode 2126, Destroying Asteroids. We are given a planet with some initial mass and an array of asteroids. Whenever the planet collides with an asteroid, one of two things happens. If the planet's mass is greater than or equal to the asteroid's mass, the asteroid is destroyed and its mass gets added to the planet. Otherwise, the planet gets destroyed. And our goal is to figure out whether we can destroy every asteroid. Now, the interesting part of the problem is that we are allowed to choose the collision order. So naturally, the question becomes, what order should we choose? Well, every time we successfully destroy an asteroid, our mass increases. And if our mass increases, future collisions become easier. So does it make sense to fight larger asteroids first? Not really. If a smaller asteroid is available, destroying it first only makes us stronger. It never makes future collisions harder. And that observation points us toward a greedy strategy. Process the asteroids from smallest to largest. That way, we always absorb the easiest asteroid available and keep growing our mass as quickly as possible. Now let's walk through the example. Our starting mass is 10, and the asteroids are 3, 9, 19, 5, 21. The first thing we do is sort them. So they become 3, 5, 9, 19, 21. Now we process the first asteroid. Its mass is 3. Our current mass is 10. 10 is greater than or equal to 3, so we absorb it. Our new mass becomes 13. Next, we look at 5. 13 is greater than or equal to 5, so we absorb it. Our mass becomes 18. Next, we look at 9. 18 is greater than or equal to 9, so we absorb it. Our mass becomes 27. Now we move to 19. 27 is greater than or equal to 19, so we absorb it. Our mass becomes 46. Finally, we reach 21. 46 is greater than or equal to 21, so we absorb it as well. Our mass becomes 67. We've successfully processed every asteroid, so the answer is true. Now, once the walkthrough is clear, the code becomes very straightforward. We start by sorting the asteroid array. This guarantees that we always try to absorb the lightest remaining asteroid first. Then we scan through the sorted array one asteroid at a time. For each asteroid, we compare its mass with our current planet mass. If the asteroid is heavier than our planet, we immediately return false. Because if we cannot destroy this asteroid after already absorbing every smaller asteroid, there is no better order left to try. Otherwise, we absorb the asteroid and add its mass to our current mass. Then we continue to the next asteroid, and if we finish the entire loop successfully, it means every asteroid was destroyed. So we return true. One small implementation detail. The planet's mass keeps growing throughout the process. So in C++ and Java, it's a good idea to store the running mass in a 64-bit integer type to avoid overflow. Time complexity is O of n log n because of the sorting step. The scan afterward is linear. And space complexity is O of 1 apart from the sorting process itself. So the whole solution is really just sort the asteroids. Try to absorb them from smallest to largest, keep growing the planet's mass, and stop immediately if an asteroid is too large to destroy. Anyway, that's the full idea for LeetCode 2126. If this explanation helped, consider subscribing so you don't miss future problem breakdowns. And if you have another interesting greedy problem you'd like covered, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace out.